Today I am going to talk about drug development. Drug development is the term which is used to define the process of bringing new drug to the market once a lead compound has been identified throughout the process of drug discovery. In drug development, we see the preclinical trial. In preclinical development, new chemical ethics, also known as new molecular ethics or NMES, are compounds that are emerged from the process of drug discovery. These have promising activity against the particular biological target that is important in the disease. However, little known about the safety, toxicity, pharmacokinetics, and metabolism of a new chemical ethics in human. It is the function of drug development to access all of these parameter of drug in human clinical trial. A further major objective of drug development is to recommend the dose and schedule for first use in human clinical trial or first human dose, previously also known as first in man. Then we see the addition of drug development must establish the physiochemical properties of the NCE. It is chemical makeup, stability, solubility. Manufacturer must optimize the process used to make the chemical so they can be help from the medical chemist, promising milligram to manufacturing on a kilogram and ton scale. They further examine the product for the suitable package as a capsule, tablet, and injectable subculture, injectable intravenous formulation. Throughout this process, known as preclinical and clinical development, as chemistry, manufacturing, and control. In chemical clinical phases, we see the four step: phase 1, phase 2, phase in phase 1 trial, usually in healthy volunteer, determine safety and dosing. In phase 2 trial, used to be get in initially leading efficiency and further explore safety in small number of patients having disease target by NCE. In phase 3 trial are large trial to determine safety and efficiency in sufficiently large number of patients with the targeted disease. If safety and efficiency are proved, clinical testing may stop at the step and NCE advance to new drug application. In phase 4 trial are post approval trial that are sometimes a condition attached by FDA, also called as post market surveillance studies. In these clinical process, define characteristics of a drug dose not stop once in NCE is advanced into human clinical trial. In addition of test required to move a novel vaccine or antiviral drug into a clinical for first time. Manufacturing must be ensured that any long term or chronic toxic sides as well as defined, including effect of system not previously monitored. Then we see in drug development, generic and brand drug, it is a protected by a plant, and generic drug, it is low cost version of brand drug, it is supplied by single company and market under the brand name. Brand drug also are priced by pharmaceuticals company and regulated by the patent, medicine price review, and brand. In generic drug, produced by genetic composition, once patent expired, or brand name drug are as a safe effective as a brand drug. No national price regulation of a generic drug. Price including manufacturing cost and a reliable paid pharmacies to stock their drug. This is all about drug development. In drug development, we see their clinical and their preclinical stages, and generic and brand drug. Thank you.